Once again, y'all, I finished up $25,947. Let's get into it. Okay, like I said, I finished up $25,947. Y'all can see it right there, man. Another great day. 3 days, man. In 3 days, I made just over $50,000, man. The markets are very hot. What can I say? I mean, I'm crushing it, and I hope to continue this. Man, I'm almost at 100K. And like this month alone, man. And there's tons of opportunities, man. So let's get into this recap. Like I keep telling y'all, man, pre-market. That's the new wave now. Trading pre-market, man. A lot of traders being pre-market now that didn't used to trade pre-market. Man, I be building up a cushion in pre-market, and man, I'm loving pre-market right now. So once again, getting up 7 in the morning. I made my first trade at 7:17 on IMRN. I was getting it short. As y'all can see, I was building up a position, and then I ended up covering it at 12.75, making a little gain before it went up, and it came down. Next trade was DPW. Hard to see, came in the way, but I think y'all just scapping it. That's pretty much it, man. But I see this stock is all the way down to 305, but this stock was range bound, and I mean, that's why I was in and out. I did do huge shares. That's why I finished up $3,900. And that's DPW. Next trade is SRNE. Basically just nailing the the spike. So every time it spiked, I was showing it. It was looking heavy. As y'all can see, I'm building up sides and just covering into the drops. That's basically what I was doing. It's SRNE. And then I caught the late day fader. Building in position and the covering at 797 before it spiked up. Nice gain right there on SRNE, making a total of $10,900. I was in this stock, just crushing it. That's SRNE. Next is BTAI. Basically just catching the bounce. I had smaller side, like 2,000 shares. Wasn't at the major. As I can see, it went my way. This is a $60 stock. So I do trade big stocks. You know, I just don't trade penny stocks. I trade what's in play. So this is one stock that's in the 60s. I thought we were gonna keep spiking up, so I just got out to the $70, and that was it on BTAI. Next is, I went over IMRN already, SRNE, RMBL. I liked this run up right here. It was looking weak. It had a gap to fill, so that's why I was getting in right here to try to fill this gap. I knew it was gonna probably crash. A lot of times these, stocks that gap up, they like to fill the gap and crash down. So that's what I did. Got in short around the 30s. Ended up covering at 28, and ended up making $800. So nice trade on that. And is that it? IBIO. See what IBIO doing. Yeah, I seen it looking weak. As y'all can see, it spiked up. It kept topping out. So I wasn't even watching this, but I was watching around here. As y'all can see, it's lower highs. So when I see that, I'm looking to get in short and risk my risk. Have my risk at the highs. I mean, good risk reward for me. especially if it looks weak. I'm gonna start sizing in. So that's what I did, and it ended up crashing. So nice play there, and I think that was it. And did I go over ABUS? ABUS. Oh yeah, that's the one. Spiking up, you know, looking weak. Just just short it into the spikes. Add into this nice entry right here, and covered into the drop, and made $5,400 on that trade. And that's it for this video. Like I said, I made $25,947. I'm well on my way to 100. If it's backwards or whatever, doesn't matter. 1 1 0 0. Man, I like to have fun, man. Especially making money, you having fun, man. So I hope all y'all banking, man. And join the chat room. Go to dcprt.com. I show all my strategies, all my indicators. Cause I use my indicator lines. Like one of the members, he got another trading platform, but let me show y'all this right quick. Like I was showing them this. As y'all can see, look at these lines, man. Look how accurate these lines are. Normally when the stocks is over my lines, it spikes. And look what it did. It hit over my line. This is called a reclaim. This is one of my strategies. That's in dcprt.com. And it spiked up, and then look what it did. It came right down and stopped dead on the red line. You can use this as a dip buy. My lines are just accurate, man. A lot of people just use one VWAP. I got two VWAPs and two other lines that I tweaked a little bit. I messed around with the decimals to get it super accurate, and it took me about a week to do that. And it took me a week to get all the lines that I need, that I want, that works together with the decimals and some other things. And I came up with these 4 lines that I'm always talking about because it helps me trade. And as y'all know, I told one of my members that this is the line in the sand. This 1450 level, and I think it cracked. So IMRN. Let's check it out. Yeah, see? Look. Y'all see this chart, right? Okay, now look at this. It came down, cracked through it, bounced up right dead on this line right here. Y'all can't see it on this chart because this is a different chart. But this is Thinkorswim. But y'all see it went all the way back up to 450. Now you can use this line. Now you can use this line as a resistance level. This is how I'm able to nail trades because of my lines. And then look, it crashed all the way down to 1250. You could have banked if you had my lines right here. So that's why I say you want my, and I break down how I use my lines, how I maximize my gains, everything with my lines. This is another example. This is how I traded SRNE using my lines. That's how I was able to nail the crack. Because normally when it goes under my lines, it's like a bearish pattern. If it goes back up over it, that's a bullish pattern. So just go to dcprt.com, sign up, man. I show everything, and join the chat room, and let's get this money. That's it for this video. Let's crush it. Peace.